Michael Novacek, thank you very much for joining us on the program.
Nice to be here again.
So is this massive clearing of forests particularly bad in Indonesia, or are we seeing the problem to the same extent in other regions of the world as well?
Indonesia is a place of intensive deforestation, of clearing and logging of forests. But there are other areas. Certainly Southeast Asia has been hit hard. And between 2000 and 2005, Vietnam lost forests at a staggering rate of about 51%. And then other places in the world, the Americas, Africa, and certainly other parts of Asia are like the situation where we are. There's just too much forest being lost.
Exactly how does it cause climate change?
Well, forests are what we call carbon sinks because of this marvelous process that scientists call photosynthesis. Plants actually take carbon dioxide out of the air in order to produce sugars, and so carbon dioxide is actually absorbed by plants, and then when plants die, that carbon is stored in the peat and in the soil. So it actually reduces the amount of carbon dioxide in the air, so that's a contribution.
So in what other ways would you say that the forest is important, it's critical, if you like, for the environment?
Yeah, I'd almost say that forest, the even more disturbing factor here is the loss of forest because of the biodiversity that they're the home of. In other words, forests are the kingdoms of what we call biodiversity. This is all these millions of species that are working together in ecosystems, and those species are not only important for driving the functions of the natural world, but there's the sources of food, of medicine, and natural resources. So by cutting away these forests, we're really losing species, in fact, at an alarming rate.
All right, Michael Novacek, thank you very much for joining us. Good to see you again.
Great to see you too.